Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can flip or rotate a video in CapCut PC. First of all, you are going to select your video. I'll just select this one. To rotate it, you're going to just go to transform and actually you can just go here and select the rotate button if you just want to rotate it like this. But if you want to rotate it like bit by bit, you're going to use the transform button. To flip it, super simple, just select your clip and select this bit right here. It's called the mirror one, and you're just going to select it. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.